Hey y'all, it's your girl Samaya. Welcome or welcome back. How y'all doing? So in today's video, I will be meal prepping. Yay! I will be making what is this? Chili pepper salmon. Well, I would basically hot honey. That's what I was going for, hot honey. So I got the honey here, and this is the sauce that I'm using. Period. That shit is spicy too. So hopefully this honey calms it down. But I got that. I got some zucchini and squash right here. And I got some sweet potatoes right here. My salmon is currently thawing out. I already cut up some onions. I wanted to put some garlic in here, but I guess we don't have garlic. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and put the sweet potatoes in the oven. So yeah, just stay tuned with your girl. This is gonna be real quick and easy. Oh, I also have a lemon. I don't know how exactly I'm gonna season the salmon, considering I have like this glaze. I'm making the glaze go over it, but I still want to season it some. I don't know, y'all. We gonna see. We gonna see. But I want it to be kind of sweet since I got the sweet potatoes. You know what I'm saying? But y'all, I'll see y'all when I'm actually cooking and stuff. I just want to go ahead and do my intro. And it do take 40 to 50 minutes for the sweet potatoes to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook those and put those in the oven. So more than likely when those are about done, then I'm gonna start on the salmon. And yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been mobbing on the low. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been I just been mobbing on the low. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, baby? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. 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 Just wanna chill with you. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, baby? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you